Hi, I'm Alicia. You may know me as a landscape and nature photographer. I love getting out into the wild. In fact, right now I'm on an RV photography trip, and it would be much harder to do what I do if I didn't have these ELEHEAR Beyond Pro. They just came out today on July 8th, and I've been fortunate to have them to try for 2 weeks already. I had the previous Beyonds for months before that, and I really like those, but these have gone way beyond the Beyonds. These now give me a much greater spectrum of sound, crisp high tones and deep booming bass sounds. I get the whole spectrum of frequencies, and that's important when I'm out in nature. When I want to hear all of the birds, will help me identify them and take pictures. The ELEHEAR is far beyond anything that I've tried or had as a hearing aid, and I've tried several. I've been a hearing aid user for 10 years now, and nothing has matched what I've been able to find with the ELEHEAR Beyond Pros. There's a lot here. It's a fantastic tool. I'll tell you though, it isn't required to hook up your ELEHEAR hearing aids to the app. It can control certain things about the hearing levels, the scene, so on. But the hearing aids remember everything in between. When I'm out camping like this, often I don't want to deal with the app. I get up, I want to put in my hearing aids and go. Perfectly fine. And they will work just fine. In their case, you notice, open it up, you'll notice that there are lights right next to each hearing aid, up to 3. From 0 to 3 lights which indicate the level of charge for the hearing aid. Mine are fully charged now. Case will charge them up to 4 times. Very convenient for being on the road like I am. The ELEHEAR Beyond app has been greatly expanded for the Beyond Pro hearing aids. Now when you connect your hearing aids to the app, you'll first come into this page that shows you the settings for the sound level and noise control and the tone. You can either set both the left and right sides together, or you can separate them to set them individually. But it's just a matter of dragging your finger up or down to select which volume level and which tone that you want to use. Up here at the top it has the current mode, so I have it currently set on restaurant because I was at a restaurant yesterday evening and I haven't changed it yet, so now I'll change it back to general. And general actually makes some basic adjustments to things like the noise control, just to the moderate level, where in restaurant mode it was set to maximum noise shield. You can create your own modes for combinations of settings that you like, but typically I haven't needed to. The 4 options here, general, restaurant, music, and TV, cover everything that I need. And if I need to make a small change, I can just change the noise control directly. The try option next to noise control will let you listen to voices that are recorded in there, high-pitched voices, low voices, so you can adjust the hearing level for the best hearing of voices, which is typically your primary goal of hearing aids. But the ELEHEAR Beyond, of course, go well beyond that and cover the full spectrum of sounds. As before, they have the tinnitus masking option. Fantastic option with many different sounds you can select from or combine even to get the most pleasant sound to mask your tinnitus, which is the ringing in the ear that you may have. From the home menu here, we have access to all of the functions, including the live translation that lets you translate to and from about 10 different common languages. Very useful when you're traveling. The remote sound capture uses your smartphone's microphone. This can be very helpful if you are in a large group and want to listen to one main speaker or a television in the room. You can just put your phone up by that device or that person and amplify those sounds. So this is just a rough introduction to the app that goes with the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to pick up your own pair of ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids, look in the description below and you'll see the links to do it. Now there's a link to buy it directly from ELEHEAR. There's also a link from Amazon. Both have the exact same price, You can order from either one directly. I recommend buying it directly from ELEHEAR, just because it immediately gets you in the loop with ELEHEAR, with their audiologist, who will offer you help in configuring your new ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. It will give you access to their help screens, to their online hearing test. Fantastic place to check your hearing and get the initial settings. It's a fantastic service. It'll also give you more direct access to support. If you buy through Amazon, which you can do below also, you have to go through additional steps to register the product with ELEHEAR to get their support for it. If you can, use the ELEHEAR link to order your ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. Either way, you'll have the same return policy. These are truly amazing hearing aids, and I recommend that you get a pair and try them out. If they don't work for you, you can return them. But if you're like me and you have age-related hearing loss, I believe you'll find they're very helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more of my videos. As I mentioned, I'm a photographer. I have a course on smartphone photography through my school community group. Thanks for being here.